Welcome back viewers. In today's video, we are going to check out the Fluxbox window manager in NTX. Let us start. So this is the standard Fluxbox session or the Fluxbox window manager. There are other versions available like the ZZZ Fluxbox and the minimal Fluxbox and the Rocks Fluxbox. So we are going to check the standard Fluxbox first because it will have maximum features and maximum applications installed. So as usual, you can see the issue here is that the resolution is not properly set. So first we will have to change the resolution. Yes, go to session, change the output. Now what we will do is we will go to the just a moment. Yes, so we will switch off the conky. I found a way to correct the conky after the resolution scaling is done. You have to start the conky on again, so that will fix the conky. Now fix the conky is shown in the proper space. So in the Fluxbox there is nothing. You got a space around here and there is a toolbar or a panel at the bottom. You can see here the toolbar has the application menu. Then you have got the workspace, so you can click here to change the workspaces or you can use the arrow keys. Both will work. On the right side you have got a simple volume control. There is also a switch. I think it will, no, it is not doing anything. Then you have got the date function and the timer. So time is also shown here. The conky is on the top right. Nothing else is there. Now let us check out the different applications available in this AntiX. So you have got the terminal. So this is a most probably, yes, it is a Rocks terminal. Here you can see the Rocks terminal version 2.9.5. Okay, we will close this. Then you have got the file manager. This is, I think, the ZZZ FM, that is the file manager. Let us check out in application section. Yes, it is ZZZ FM file manager. We have seen the functionality in the ISWM window manager. Same functionality will be here. Nothing change will be there. Then you got the web browser. It will be the same Mozilla Firefox ESR version. I will just show you. Same version 128.9 64-bit ESR version. Then you got the editor. So this editor is Guinea. You can see here the Guinea version it is showing. Version 2 is there. We'll close this. We will move ahead. Then in personal, you got the personal menu help video. So it will open up the online video and you can use that to learn more about the Fluxbox. It will open up in few minutes. Meanwhile, in applications, let us check out in AntiX. You got the similar application. Yes, now the this video has opened up. It will buffer up and then start. I don't know why. Yes, volume is, now it will speak. For some reason the volume is not working, but it should work.
Simple screen recorder.
Yes, now it is working. So you can watch this video, around 14 minutes of video is there. You can watch it later, 14 minutes of video. We will continue with the applications. So similar applications that we see in ISWM are shown here. Here you can see add menu item, Android USB connect, AntiX updater, AntiX user manager, AntiX Wi-Fi switch, AntiX workspace manager, backlit brightness, change root rescue scan, command line apt based package manager, command line control center. These two things we will check in a separate video. Date and time configuration, edit AntiX startup file, format USB, ISWM manager, ISWM remember settings, ISWM toolbar. So these applications are for the ISWM. Since the ISWM sessions are also installed, you see this ISWM specific applications here in Fluxbox. Otherwise, if you just do a Fluxbox installation, these applications won't be there. But by default, AntiX installs all Fluxbox and ISWM together. So that's why ISWM applications are being shown here. ISO snapshots, I have done a separate video how to do ISO snapshot. Live USB kernel updater, live USB maker, login manager, personal menu editor, program remover, program remove menu item when the user language settings, yard color. In accessories, you got archive manager, calculator, cherry tree, clip it, enable, disable, pipe wire, audio server. Because right now NTX is offering a toggle between pipe wire and the pulse audio sound server. You can change between any of these two using a simple click here. So it will run a script and it will change the default sound server. Then the finder is there, file finder, FireGel configuration wizard, leaf pad, Midnight Commander editor. So it is for the Midnight file manager. Other desktops we have seen in ISWM, RxVT color, Unicode terminal, toggle visual effects with X composite manager composer, V in XF1 and ZZZ, FM file search. In games you got DOSBox and Mahjong. In graphics you got document scanner, GTCam, digital camera browser, LibreOffice Draw, Mirage, MT Paint, graphic editor and the screenshot. In Office, you got the full Office LibreOffice suite and the QPDF viewer. In preferences, you got AdBlock, add keyboard layouts, add menu item, ADSL PPOE configuration. So nobody is using the ADSL dial-up lines nowadays. So this is we can say now almost getting obsolete application. Then alternatives configurator are AR and R. So this is display configuration, Bluetooth manager, configure auto mount, on menu UI setup, customize look and feel, menu manager, onboard settings, pointing device manager, print settings, pulse audio volume control, Qt5 settings, remove menu items, screen light, set font size, DPI, synaptic package manager, system keyboard, user language, wallpapers. Programming, you got Guinea, Mail, Vim, Tiny. In system, you got App Select, Boot Repair, Choose Startup Services, Control Center, Dev Installer, Disk Manager, Fire Tools, Gparted, GRSync, Htop, Lucky Backup as a user, a super user, Midnight Commander, File Manager, Modem Manager GUI, Boundbox, Network Assistant, NVIDIA Driver Installer. We have seen that in a separate video how to install NVIDIA proprietary drivers in NTX. Package Installer, PC Information, Repo Manager we have seen in the ISWM videos. Root terminal, ROX filer as root, ROXterm. So these all are available here in Fluxbox also, as we have seen that in the ISWM session. Task manager, trash and the ZZZ file manager. Now let us open Htop. In Htop you can see just 47 tasks are running, 22 threads are there. Load average is less than 0.1. Just 248 MB of RAM is being used. So this is similar, little less than the ISWM session. ISWM is using around 270 to 280 MB. Here it is using just 250 MB. So this is little heavier than the minimal ISWM, but less than the standard ISWM. So it is in between. Now we will open the task manager also. So let us try to correlate that. So here also same memory, just 1 MB less it is showing than the Htop, and CPU usage is 0, almost 0. You can see here CPU usage, it is almost 0. That's it. So now what we will do is we will go ahead. You have done this. Universal access, you got Magnus magnifier and the onboard keyboard. And this is refresh menu. Then in desktops, I have shown you how to do the conky on off. You can also have a ROX panel. So ROX panel, this is called ROX panel. You can have it here and you can toggle it on and off. Then what else is there in desktop? And there are some other desktops you can access from here. So ROX Fluxbox, ZZZ Fluxbox, Minimal Fluxbox, ROX ISWM, ZZ ISWM, Minimal ISWM, ROX JWM, that is Joe Window Manager, ZZZ Joe Window Manager, Minimal Joe Window Manager, and the Hubs Luft Window Manager that we will see later on. So those desktops can also be shown here. Maybe it will also start. Let us do it at the last of the video. We will come back here. Now app killer, I will show you what is app killer. Once you click here, you can kill any app using this. So for example, I want to kill the Conky. I have to click it here. Now my mouse pointer will change to a cross, and now I will take the cross here, and on the AntiX Conky I will click it once. It will kill the Conky running in the system. So the Conky will not run. It has stopped running. So any application window, you take the cross and click it there, that application will get killed. Now the Fluxbox settings. So in Fluxbox configuration, you can change the focus model for the mouse. You can see here different things are there. So I will make a separate video here for the mouse focus. Maximize option. So you got full maximization, ignores resize, increment, disable moving resizing. So I think this is most probably for the mouse only. I don't know what exactly, or the window maximization is there, resize and maximization of windows. That remains to be seen. We will do it in a separate video. And the tabs option, where to keep the tabs. So you can see right now the toolbar is at the bottom. You can change over. I will just show you placement. Let us go take it to the top center. It is not changing, I think. So it is not related to toolbar. Let us, okay, so tab options are there. So we keep it at bottom center only. For what the tabs are there, we will check this in separate video. I will have to do some research. Show pictures. Don't know what is transparency. Force pseudo transparency. You can see here. It is changing this menu also. You can see there is slight change in the colors. Yes. So we will do it separate video, because exactly what it is doing, I have to do research. Slit also we will do research, but toolbar we can check it right now. Now let us go to the placement. Yes. If you click here, the toolbar placement will change. Now the toolbar is at the top. You can have at the left center. You can have it at the right center. You can have it at the bottom right. You can have it at the bottom left. I'll just show you. It is at the bottom right. You just go here. Where it is? Toolbar placement. You go to the bottom left. It is to the bottom left. Now we will change it again, and we will make it placed at the bottom center. Then the icon mode is there, icon bar mode. So right now what it is, workspace icons. Let us change something. Nothing is changing much. So very small changes are there. In one video we will not be able to know exactly how it works. We'll have multiple videos for that. Yes, clock, you can change the clock. So right now the 12-hour format is there. You can change it over to 24-hour format. You can see it is changing. Then edit clock format we have done. Whether to keep the toolbar visible, you have to, or you want to have auto hide toolbars, auto raise. Sometimes the toolbar will raise on certain actions like dragging the window to the bottom end of the screen. So all those settings are here. Yes, toolbar width percentage. So if you want to change the toolbar width, if you keep on clicking with the left button, it will decrease. And if you click with the right button, it is going to increase the size. You can see here on the bottom right, the toolbar size is increasing. So this is how you have to do it. And the layers are there. So if you want to show some layers above the dog, below the dog, so all those things are there. So many things are there, very small minute things, but they will change the feel of the Fluxbox window manager. Now the Fluxbox toolbars styles are there. Fluxbox styles are there. Let us so the modern blue flux small is the default. We will change it over to the medium size. So medium is default now. Let us go with the blue. I will not go with the huge size, use and large, because that is too big. We'll stick to medium. Medium looks best. Then the lemon space pro medium looks very nice. You can have Lumix medium, very nice. Then you got the pretty pink medium, looks very nice. Radiant AntiX medium, that is also looking nice. Royal blue medium, royal red style medium, royal blue AntiX medium. Then you got the sunny day medium, AntiX medium. Then you got the Nero key medium. Yes, so the wallpaper comes with the Nero key, so it has installed the wallpaper also. Then the slick 2 AntiX medium. This is also quite nice looking. Then you got the slick 2 flux medium. So what we will do is let us stay with the medium. Yes, we will stay with this. This looks nice and it complements the wallpaper also. Okay. Now workspace icons, workspace alpha, beta. You can add more workspaces here. Remove the last workspace, rename the current workspace. You can rename them. So many things are available here, and let us try out the wallpapers. Any special wallpapers for the Fluxbox? Let us check it out. Yes, there is no different wallpapers for the Fluxbox. All the same wallpapers for all the window managers. There is nothing special for the Fluxbox. So I think this is all that we have got for the Fluxbox, standard Fluxbox. In the next videos, we will check out the ROX Fluxbox, the ZZZ Fluxbox, the minimal Fluxbox, and we will only see what are the differences as compared to the standard Fluxbox that we have reviewed in this video. So only the differences will be shown, and those videos will be smaller, but it will give you a good idea what is the differences between the different versions of the Fluxbox that is installed in AntiX. So see you then. Bye bye.